Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you if you can get Cash App in the UK. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow this step. So basically, you need just to know that previously you could have just easily get your Cash App application just from uh, in the UK. And basically you need just to download the app and then after that you can get simply the Cash App. But after the latest update, as you can see, Cash App has ceased being used or being operating in the UK. And basically, you will be needing just to see or to find many other alternatives that are available. Some wouldn't work in quite the same way as Cash App, while similar apps such as Venmo and Zelle are only available in the US. So basically, you could just, or the only option is just to find some very good alternatives to your Cash App so you can start using them instead of uh, Cash App. Because as you can see, Cash App is no longer available in the UK because of some requirements or because Cash App doesn't meet some requirements for British financial service, and that's why Cash App has ceased being used or ceased working in the UK, and it is now only available in the US. So as you can see here in this Wise article, you can see many uh, alternatives for your Cash App, and you can either use Wise, PayPal, or Zoom, or MoneyGram, or Dreamit, and many other things. And from here, you can start seeing all the differences between them, from the fees and transfer speed to features, and also the suitability of these apps. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.